Independence Day is an honor and a great gift. Heartfelt gratitude to our great freedom fighters for their sacrifice. For them only, we are in a free and independent nation. A very heartfelt morning to our Honorable Principal Sir, worthy teachers, all staff members, and above all, our beloved students and their parents who are connected to us in a virtual platform. Today, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. Hold your head high. Our Honorable Principal Sir is going to hoist the national flag. Now, may I request our Honorable Principal Sir to say a few words on this auspicious occasion.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On behalf of students, staff and management of the school, I welcome all of you and congratulate all of you for the celebration of Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. This is also being celebrated as Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav throughout the country. This is a great and historic day for all of us. This day reminds us the great Indians, freedom fighters, patriots who sacrificed their lives to make India free from British rule. This freedom is hard-earned after decades of struggle and sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Our leaders and thousands of unnamed heroes sacrificed their lives for the cause of the nation. And finally, the dreams of millions of Indians realized on this day where India got freedom in the year 1947. This is a day to remember those great Mahatmas and to learn lessons from their sacrifices. Freedom does not mean to do whatever you want to do. Freedom comes with responsibility. Freedom without responsibility leads to chaos in our life and in the society at large. So it is very crucial to realize our duties and responsibilities, then only we can make this place a better one and worth living. We all should know the problems of environment, pollution, cleanliness, illiteracy, terrorism, and many other social evils. Government alone cannot solve all these problems unless we come forward. We are all the part of the nation building. We need to do our duties. We need to play our role. Here in the school, the role of the students is to learn, and we are obliged to provide them the best education and the best facilities as per their need. Together, if we do it right, then we can make a big change. Together, we have the responsibility to take a challenge to empower our nation. You all have the talent, you all have that spark in you, and you should not wait for others, because the future of the nations should be made by the hands and brains of you people only. Believe in yourself, and together you all can do it. I expect our students should utilize their time properly and do new and great things. They should know their duties, responsibilities, and the purpose of life, because they are the leader of the future of this nation. They should, wherever they may be, they should live a life of responsible citizen of the country. Here, we are a day, this is a day to celebrate in pomp and show, but we couldn't do because of this COVID protocols. This pandemic has affected everybody's life and livelihood. We all are passing through uncertainty. We have not been able to invite our students and parents, but we have made arrangement so that they can witness this celebration virtually. Dear students, your teachers are missing you since long. The school is also missing your presence, and hope you all too missing. Never before we have seen such a lockdown of such scale and magnitude. But then this pandemic could not stand between your learning and our teaching. Our teachers have stepped up to face this challenge. Instead of your coming to school, our teachers are reaching to you at your home through online classes. They they are putting their best efforts and providing everything you need so that you do not miss your studies, you do not miss your lessons. I am very much thankful to my teachers. At the same time, I am very much thankful to our students and parents, the way they have acquainted themselves in this new approach of teaching and learning. DAV institution spread all over the country, doing its bit in nation building. DAV has produced many great leaders and alumni in every field. In recently concluded Olympic 2020, the gold medalist Neeraj Chopra, also a DAV alumni. Here our students are also doing well in their academics as well as in their co-curricular activities. In this year, class 10 and 12 board exam also they have done well. Master Nitish Kumar stood first in class 10, securing 97.8% marks. In class 12 science, Shramana Das stood first, securing 97.2% marks. And in class 12 commerce, Ishika Gupta stood first, securing 96.2% marks. Devanga Mandal of our school had been adjudged as the best performer in chess competition among all the DAV public and modern schools of West Bengal zone. Our students are also doing well in other activities. Recently in West Bengal Joint and JEE Main, our students have done well. Some of them have scored good rank also. I congratulate all of them. I am very much thankful to all my staff members, students and parents for their continuous support to the school in every of our activities. I, along with my staff members, continuously trying to uplift the academics, infrastructure and other activities of the schools so that we can have a better place in the area. In this long journey, I seek all of your cooperations, help and good wishes so that we can serve the students and parents of this area in a better way. Hope this pandemic will be over very soon and normal life and classes will begin. Again, I wish all of you a happy Independence Day. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Now I request our Dubey sir to say a few words on this occasion.
श्रद्धेय प्राचार्य महोदय, मेरे सम्मानीय सहशिक्षक एवं शिक्षिकाएं, मेरे अन्य सहकर्मीगण, हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन जुड़े हुए वे सभी विद्यार्थी एवं अभिभावक। सबसे पहले मैं आज इस 75वें स्वाधीनता दिवस पर आप सबको बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। इससे पहले कि मैं इस महापर्व की कहानी बयां करूं, मैं उन शहीदों के नाम पर उनसे जुड़ी कुछ पंक्तियां जो प्रायः मैं बोला करता हूं, उसे आज भी आपके सामने रखना चाहूंगा। शहीदों के मजारों पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले, शहीदों की मजारों पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले, वतन पर मरने वालों का बाकी यही निशान होगा। ऐसे ही कुछ भावनाओं के साथ मैं अंत में कहना चाहूंगा इस मातृभूमि के लिए, हे मातृभूमि है तुझे सलाम, हे मातृभूमि है तुझे सलाम, तू ही मेरे तीरथ, तू ही मेरे चार धाम, तू ही मेरे तीरथ, तू ही मेरे चार धाम, तेरी आन बान और शान में मैं न्यौछावर कर दूं खुशियां तमाम, हे धरती मां मुझे सत सत प्रणाम। इन्हीं चंद शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Surya sir, for your valuable speech. ভারত আমার ভারতবর্ষ, স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লভিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। এই ভারতবর্ষে জন্ম নিয়ে সত্যি আমরা ধন্য। Now the teachers of our school are going to present a Bengali patriotic song by the name ভারতবর্ষ সূর্যের এক নাম।
On this Independence Day, we remember the years past. We honor this very day, for our flag, old glory, has last. On this Independence Day, 2 centuries ago, we declared for our independence.
ভারতবর্ষ সূর্যের এক নাম, ভারতবর্ষ সূর্যের এক নাম, আমরা রয়েছি সেই সূর্যের দেশে, নীলা চঞ্চল সমুদ্রের অভিরাম, গঙ্গা যমুনা ভাগীরথী যে আমিষে, ভারতবর্ষ সূর্যের এক নাম। ভারতবর্ষ স্বামীর এক নাম, অশ্লিষ্টতা হিংসা দেশ বলে, ভারতবর্ষ স্বামীর এক নাম, অশ্লিষ্টতা হিংসা দেশ বলে, আমার একতার জয়গান, বলে মনকে নিয়েছে তুলে, দেবতার দেশে মানুষ হয়েছে জানি, মানুষের দেখি গণদেবতার দেশে, ভারতবর্ষ সূর্যের এক নাম, আমরা রয়েছি সেই সূর্যের দেশে, নীলা চঞ্চল সমুদ্রের অভিরাম,
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls.
Now, the teachers of our school are going to present two patriotic Bengali poems.
জন্মভূমি কবি সুভাষ মুখোপাধ্যায়।
আমি ভীষণ ভালোবাসতাম আমার মাকে, কখনো মুখ ফুটে বলিনি, টিফিনের পয়সা বাঁচিয়ে কখনো কিনে আনতাম কমলা লেবু।
হয়তো দেখিবেছে সুদর্শন উড়িতেছে সন্ধ্যার বাতাসে, হয়তো শুনিবে এক লক্ষ্মী পেঁচা ডাকিতেছে শিমুলের ডালে,
হয়তো খইয়ের ধান ছড়াতেছে শিশু এক উঠানের ঘাসে, রূপসার ঘোলা জলে হয়তো কিশোর এক সাদা ছেঁড়া পালে ডিঙা বায়।
রামের সাঁতরায় অন্ধকারে আসিতেছে নীলে, দেখিবে ভবন বক, আমারই পাবে তুমি ইহারের ভিড়ে, আমারই পাবে তুমি ইহারের ভিড়ে।
एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में, सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली, क्या नाम है अपना जहां में, खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम, शर्मीले थे।
দেখো, ফুটপাথে গুলির লড়াই চলছে, মুখ দিয়ে এক ছলক রক্ত তুলে পথে শুয়ে পড়ল নাম না জানা এক শিশু। ওকে চিনতে পারছো? ও মহাত্মা গান্ধীর জীবিত আত্মা। ওই শিশুটাকে ভালো করে দেখো, কিভাবে প্রতিবাদ করতে হয় সব জানে।
"75 years. It's a long time, but unfortunately we can see that today also Mother India is not free from all bondages. The young generation who are supposed to be the torch bearers, addicted to social medias, most of them have forgotten their responsibility. Illiteracy, poverty, superstition, corruption prevail here. Our next program is a skit by our teachers is to show them the right way. The skit, The New Sunrise.
अरे जल्दी कर, जल्दी जल्दी हाथ चला, क्या करें इस लड़की के साथ।
जी राहुल जी,
कैसे हो रामलाल? दे दो भाई, एक कप चाय दे दो। आप लोगों की दया से सब ठीक ही चल रहा है। हाँ हाँ, ये लो, अब ये देते हैं आपको गर्मा गर्म। Those were the days when leaders like Netaji, Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh dedicated their lives for our motherland. But what can I do alone?
You are asking what can you do? You are the young warrior. You can do everything if you only have the will to do. Spread awareness, spread spread literacy. You people are so good in technology. Make groups and try to bring all under one umbrella. Only you can make the difference. बेटी को स्कूल क्यों नहीं भेजते हो रामलाल?
हाँ हाँ, स्कूल क्यों नहीं भेजते? अरे बेटी बोझ नहीं होती, वो तो माँ होती है, बेटी होती है, बीवी होती है, और हमारी भारत भी माँ ही है ना। इसको पढ़ाओ लिखाओ, अपने पैरों पे खड़े होने दो। लड़कियां सब कुछ कर सकती हैं। बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ।
Sorry, really sorry. I feel ashamed of myself. You taught us so many things, and we forgot them all. Shame on me. So I promise I will make a group. So many groups are there on Facebook and WhatsApp.
रामलाल, भेजो अपनी बेटी को स्कूल, सब कुछ तो है, फ्री एजुकेशन, खाना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। अगर कुछ भी जरूरत हो तो मुझे बोलना। रियली what they were and what we are now, things must change. सही है ना?
बिल्कुल सही है। This is what independence all about. Free from corruption, child labor, and free from all the prejudices. Free from illiteracy, narrow-mindedness. But if we fight together, we are irresistible. Let's hope for a new sunrise or new beginning.
স্বাধীনতা জিনিসটা কি, স্বাধীনতার সঠিক মানে? যে মেয়েরা ভোর না হতে মায়ের সঙ্গে যাচ্ছে কাজে, যে মেয়েরা পরের বাড়ি কাপড় কাচে, বাসন মাজে, যে মেয়েরা গোবর কুড়োয়, ঘুটেও দেয় কয়লা বাছে, যে মেয়েরা সারা জীবন পায় না আদর কারোই কাছে।
नमो 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 नमो
भारताम्बे
नमो नमो
नमो
नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वत शरीरिणी नमोस्तु जगतां वन्दे ब्रह्म विद्या प्रकाशिनी।
জনম আমার জন্মেছি এই দেশে, সার্থক জনম মাগো তোমায় ভালোবেসি। জানি নে তোর ধনরতন আছে কিনা রানীর মতন, শুধু জানি আমার অঙ্গ জুড়ায় তোমার ছায়ায় এসে।
What a splendid, energetic and mesmerizing performance it was. Thanks to all our teachers performing so well. Now, after this splendid performance, I may call upon the stage our respectable Austrima Madam to wind up the program and present the vote of thanks. Respected Principal Sir, all the staff members, parents and my dear students, a very good morning to you all. On behalf of the staff and management of DAV Public School HCL Rupnaranpur, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our Principal Sir for taking initiative in arranging such a beautiful program. My special thanks to all the parents and students who spared their valuable time to watch this program. Once again, thank you all.